December 21st. Luna's pulling on Casper's leash.
Always taking.
Sounds so vicious.
I'm in control of you now.
What are you kids doing? Luna, you're so mean. Poor kid.
Nathan, what are you doing?
Nathan, where are you going? You're gonna get kissed.
Casper's
gonna give you kisses.
That's what happens when you run into the puppy pit.
It's like, no, go away. No, Casper can't resist. No, honey, go over there.